So welcome to the Crochet Crowd. You've got this far in the article. Let me tell you a little bit more about pushing you further into your crochet skills. This channel and website has been designed so that you can progress in your education. We have a lot of followers because a lot of people trust in what they're learning here. I'm not about the crochet-tainment. I do have a lot of innuendos so that you should know, but I really do focus on the evergreen of crochet, meaning that if I teach a pattern today, it'll be still relevant in 10 years from time. The only difference is that the yarns can change, colors can change. In the videos, you will see a video description, and in that video description, there's a pattern link if their pattern does exist. If it's not there, that means it doesn't exist. You will also see pinned comments of the actual information itself. Inside the videos from 2019 to present time, we have video chapters, so you can just open up that video description and fast forward. So maybe you need help on round number 3, you know round 1, 2, but 3 is got you stuck. You can click on round 3 in the time chapters and it'll redirect you and fast forward you to that moment. If you have to come back further in the video and have a reminder of round 3, open it up again, click round 3, and the video will take you back to round 3 to be able to begin. So that means that you don't have to keep scanning the video to find exactly what you're looking for. In the video descriptions from 2019 on, there's more information: the hook size, what yarn was used, if there was a pattern gauge, what size is the project. A lot of people tend to leave comments saying, well, I don't know what you did, what hook was it? It's all in that. That's the only place I can put that information. In the pattern links, when they are provided, they redirect you back here to thecrochetcrowd.com where there's more information being shared. I add a lot of tips into the crochet videos that are not necessarily into the patterns, and sometimes I do screw up a bit, so sometimes I'm teaching a different way than what the pattern is suggesting. There's also a date left when the video was made, so sometimes what can happen is that the pattern can be upgraded and that video was stuck in time at that point and there was some changes made. During the video process, I am editing the patterns as I go. My videos, my patterns, and not only that, but yarnspirations.com, we have a symbiotic relationship between each other. I teach some of their patterns, and I'm not their voice or their spokesperson, but I just have authorization to do that. So what we have is playlists. There's 600 playlists that you can have access to right on our YouTube channel. I have things subcategorized. Maybe you want an easy level project. Maybe you want something with Red Heart Super Saver. Maybe you want Bernat Super Value. You will find that in the playlist. Use our searching within our channel to be able to find those information, and the videos that are matching that will group together and show you what that is as well. Once in a while, I am live, and usually I am doing a pattern designing live on camera, and all the video instructions that I give are pre-recorded so that I can get to the fun stuff. It also allows me to edit out any mistakes and just stay on track. I've learned over time, shut my mouth and keep on going. I don't beg for likes. I don't ask you to do much, and because I think my work speaks for itself. So if you're looking for a crochet journey, I'm your guy. I'm Mikey from the Crochet Crowd here in Nova Scotia, Canada, and welcome to the wonderful world of crochet.